Labour's high tax agenda is killing growth. Jim Ratcliffe, billionaire owner of INEOS, just pulled £3 billion of investment out of the UK, and he's taken it straight to the USA. Why? Well, in his own words, he said it's because of Labour's high tax agenda and it's killing growth. And if they can scare one of the wealthiest entrepreneurs in the country off, what chance have the rest of us got? However, this isn't just about billionaires. When big companies stop investing, ordinary working people who pay the price. INEOS has already shut down their Grangemouth oil refinery, costing 400 jobs, and they're warning that more plants could close. That means less industry, fewer jobs, higher costs for us all. Labour promised not to tax working people, but let's be honest, when businesses can't survive, who suffers? The workers. You can't keep piling on corporation tax, employers' national insurance, and expect the jobs to still be there. Rachel Reeves, or shall I say Rachel Thieves, hiked taxes in 2024 in the autumn statement just to fill the £20 billion black hole. 1 year later, after those rises, black hole hasn't gone away, it hasn't shrunk, it's exploded to 50 billion. Why? Because when you punish growth, you get less of it. It's that simple. Currency is current. It's meant to flow. But Labour have built a dam. Money stops moving, the jobs stop flowing, and the opportunities just dry up completely. Higher taxes don't automatically mean higher revenue. History proves it. Every time governments squeeze too hard, businesses cut back, they relocate, they shut down. And that means less tax, not more. Meanwhile, the USA is rolling out the red carpet for investors. Lower corporate taxes, incentives for manufacturing, and clear pro-growth policies. I wonder why Jim Ratcliffe is moving billions over there. And if you had that choice, you'd probably do that too. It's not patriotism that drives business, it's survival. So, what does this mean for you? Jobs will keep leaving the UK, public services will keep struggling as tax receipts collapse, and inflation is still eating your savings alive. And all of that combined is going to leave people worse off. But here's the thing, every crisis creates opportunity. When amateurs panic and exit the market, smart investors adapt and thrive. In property, that means more landlords are looking to sell, and they're looking to sell quickly. They just want to get out and they're willing to take discounts. It also means those same landlords are more open to creative deals than they have been in the last decade. It means rents rising because housing supply is shrinking. This is the best window since 2008, if you know how to play it right. Don't get sucked into the doom and gloom. Yes, the government are incompetent. Yes, I said that. Yes, taxes are brutal, but that just means the amateurs are leaving. And when they do, there's more room for people like you and I. I've seen cycles like this before, and the ones who learn how to raise money, to stack deals, to negotiate well, come out wealthier on the other side. This isn't the end of opportunity in Britain, and it's the beginning if you want to take control instead of waiting for handouts. And that's exactly why we built Property.School. Property.School is a global online platform where you'll find real strategies that let you win in tough times. We cover things like how to raise finance, how to buy at auction, how to pick up properties that others overlook. We've got content on all the different strategies. BRR, no money down, commercial conversions, SA, deal packaging. It's all in there. Plus, you'll be learning from the UK's top property investors and trainers. People like Rob Moore, Kevin McDonnell and others. People who've been through multiple downturns and scaled and thrived. And you can get access to all of this for just less than 50p a day. So I'm going to invite you right now, come check us out at property.school/go. You just type that into any browser. Say it again, property.school/go. There's new content every single week. We've got live masterclasses and access to a community that's actually doing deals in this market right now. Plus, it's low cost and zero risk because you can cancel anytime. We're not locking you into any ongoing contracts. Go check us out at property.school/go. Type that into any browser and click join. Here's the truth. If you don't get educated now, you'll miss the biggest buying window in well over a decade. Here's a quick tip before I go. When news like this hits, billionaires leaving, industries collapsing, don't just moan about it. Use it. Show these headlines to sellers when you're negotiating. It's proof that the economy is shaky, that buyers are scarce, and that they should take your offer very seriously. That's one way of turning bad news into good deals. The government might be destroying jobs, they might be choking growth, but you don't have to let them destroy your financial future. Take control, educate yourself, and position yourself to win. And the best time to do that is right now when everyone else is unsure and panicking. So again, come check us out at property.school/go. Type in any browser, come join today, and I'll see you inside. Let's turn this chaos into opportunity. And remember to invest for freedom, choice, and profit. I'll see you inside.